How to watch live on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily watch live and interact with people on Instagram. First thing first, you just have to go ahead and open up the Instagram app, and then from here on out, you'll land on your home section. So if you're logged in and if someone is live on Instagram, it will show you right here at besides your stories. So you can just tap on it to view live. Just tap on the story right here, and then you should be able to see who is live. Now, once you are inside your live, you have different options. So you could add a comment. As you can see, this person just waved at me. So since I joined, I'm able to comment right here. If you want, you could also send different kind of reactions and ask questions. So let me just ask a random question here. Something like, how was your day? Tap on send and the question will be sent to the chat. And if they respond on the live, you'll be able to interact with them. You can also request to join the live. So click on send request and then you will be able to join the live stream if they accept your request. The next thing you can do is tap different kind of reactions right here and they will be able to see it on the stream as well. And that's how you basically watch live on Instagram and interact with them. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.